Oh, hey guys, what's poppin'? I'm gonna show you guys one of the nicest, cleanest, neatest looking rooms that you can possibly get in the Montego Bay area at the Zoetry Hotel. All right, guys, let's get right into this room tour. Epic. All right, so as you guys might already be able to see, we are at this little door section part here. I mean, when you look at it, you're not so sure exactly what it might be, but if you take further inspection, wow, it looks really clean, really neat. But right behind it, you do have some really intricate storage space. So looking up top there, what they have is a Conair steamer. So if you don't know about the steamer, you can use this to, steam your clothing instead of using an iron. I do have a steamer at home. I find it very good, but this one is a lot bigger than mine, so it should give me a professional finish. Then once I get into here, you are going to be having yourself nice access to a safe deposit, so you can actually put any of your valuables in there. For example, myself, I can put some cameras, money, whatever the case is, and if you're rich, maybe a couple gold bars. All right, now on the next side here, what we have, they start you off with two robes. Of course, Judah has on a robe already, and over the, oh, I didn't even take notice of this before, but there's actually an umbrella. I do respect that. And down there you do have some sleeping slippers or bed slippers, whatever you want to call it. All right, now heading over here, what I like about this hotel, especially if you are a YouTuber, you know how important lighting is. And if you are an Instagram model, or you're just a beautiful person and you like putting on your makeup or just taking nice pictures, having nice lighting is awesome. And just in general, being able to see outside. Now, I do really appreciate the finish that is on these doors. These doors are super heavy, so you know that they're definitely well built, and they are frosted glass doors. I like that. The only complaint that I might say is there's not so much privacy, because once the door closes, it's almost like those airport toilet doors where people can still see you taking a dump. I really don't appreciate that. But then again, you're not coming in a hotel room like this with a stranger. So, all right, let's pop the light on really quick and let's see. Okay, so of course it has a nice venting. So, if you drop your deuce and it's not the nicest, you can definitely, vent that out. Standard toilet, nothing special about it there, just a really nice little bathroom setup. All right. Now, if we look over here, we definitely see one of my favorite parts about any hotel is the his and hers section, because regardless, girls take about 90% of the bathroom and then the guys get the other 10. It really sucks being a man. But anyway, you have this section here where I guess you can put in your laundry. I like that. Do like that. Nice touch to that. Of course, you do have some shelvings that are under there. Oh, wow. This is classy. Guys, this is very classy. They actually have a scale in here. So if you're one of those persons who you're very interested in taking, proper check on your weight, because it isn't all inclusive. So maybe you're going to be banging up the food here. There is going to be that for you. Now, I do like the attention to detail with these bathroom faucets. They're just so huge. Nice color. I do like that they give you, a nice little glass cup that you can use. And then this is going to be a nice talking point for the girls. There is a vanity magnified light that swings all the way out, whatever angles you want to put it. Yo, that is just awesome. I like the attention to that detail there. And then of course there is another one down here. Wow. This is definitely really cool. Of course that one plugs in, so if you want to plug that in and do it, then that's perfectly fine. And when you look here, there are some little toiletry things set up there. You got your towels and you got your Kleenex, and then what's in this little goodie bag? Let's take a look. Oh guys, if you know me, I am an unboxing freak. Wow, I love this. So these, oh yes, I remember seeing this. Now what they have inside this bag, you have Bulgari. I do have the Bulgari cologne set, so maybe that will fit in really nice. And then you have some other nice essential stuff. So again, I like this. The mosquito spray, there's a sewing kit. Oh guys, there's probably a bunch of stuff in there that you are going to really appreciate. And of course, on the other 10% of the room where the men get to dominate, if they choose to let us, you do have the other big mirror. Then coming down to here, we see something that I never saw on the other side. It says spa and wellness with the Zoetry branding. Let's see. I would be super fascinated if this was like a shaving kit or something like that. All right, let's pop this open. I love unboxing stuff. Wah, wah, wah. It's something that the women also dominate and they need. It's a blow dryer, but that's also good to always have a blow dryer inside the room. Epic. All right, so again, over here, you do see a really nice window. Again, we can bust it open. You know, this place is definitely busting, so we bust that open. And then you'll definitely have more natural lighting if you're one of those persons. I like the fact that I didn't leave the wall bare. Over there, you do have a nice piece of 3D looking art. So it does give the room a full and complete look. All right, now let's get into this other part here. I do like the fact that they put everything into play. When you look at this room, it definitely has touches of modern art, and there's also, you know, the more traditional stuff, you know, wood, glass, and stone. I like how they put everything together really well. And then in here, you do have a little stool that you can actually sit down on. Maybe you want to give your foot bottom a scrub, or if you want to, you know, you get the idea. Now, my favorite part about any room, usually, or any hotel, is the ones that have the rainforest faucet. I really like that rainforest shower head. You're able to, you know, get that nice feel there. And of course, there's a shower head. You know, some people really like using the shower head for whatever reasons. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Anyway, really nice shower. I like the open concept as well. So if you're dating a beautiful female, you know, you can be looking at the cheeks all the way from out here. Let's be honest, we all like doing that. Anyway, heading over, before I even head over to here, you know what, let me head over to here. Heading over to here, you are able to see, I don't know, this is what I like about this spot. As I did mention before, you do have a nice sectioning of the room, so it's not this big old open concept. You have over here that nice separation of the bathroom, and then over there the nice separation of the room, and then over here another separation where it's just like for great entertainment. In the last video before, I was sitting down right over here. It has that nice white pure kind. Actually, I think this color is actually cream, but you know, us guys, we are terrible with colors and stuff like that. But I do like this. It gives you a nice little view of outside. So if I go outside here and I pop this open, I can see all the beautiful people outside. So we have the pool over there, you have whatever water sports section. I actually like this. All right, so my memory card just died just now. I've been filming a lot for you guys, but anyhow, over here in this spot is definitely nice. I love this area. All right, just before the rain pops off again, let me try to get you guys over here. So I'm gonna show you guys outside. Again, as I said, I love the sectional segments of this entire hotel here. Everything is just, it doesn't feel like they were rushing the whole design. And I like the fact that you do have this nice little space out here, this balcony. Looks really nice. Whoever did the artistry and the decor or whatever this spot definitely did it very well. Look at the nice attention to detail there when you look up top. You do have a little fan. Again, I don't know how much it's gonna really give, but I'm sure it does give you a nice little vibe. Yeah, it's raining now here in Jamaica. Just to give you guys some information, persons always ask me what's the best time to travel to Jamaica. For me personally, if you're traveling here between September to November, this video was recorded November the 1st. So if you're traveling during these times, it is more during our hurricane season. So you're gonna expect to have, you know, some rainy days sometimes. You're still gonna get some sun, but do expect that. All right, let's head inside so I can show you the bedroom. Now, of course, you have your nice little, you know, night table. And then I had my little drink that's still in there. You got your phone to call whoever you need to call. And then over here, ooh, look at that. Who is this? Who is this? Did this come with the room? Did this person come in the room? No. All right, we got Duda over there already comfortable in her robe and on this comfortable bed. I haven't been on the bed as yet, so maybe Judah can tell me how does the bed feel? I want to sleep. You want to sleep? It's comfortable.
Yes, it is.
It's definitely a comfortable bed. I like that. And I like the fact that they give you a very grandeur feel with the big bed columns, you know. I like that. I mean, they're not very, you don't really need them from, well, let me shut up. But yeah, they're definitely nice to have. It makes you feel really good. You know, feel like you definitely spent your money well. But what I really like about the bedding, which I just realized here, are these, the things right here. Look at that. So, of course, Judah likes to read in the nighttime. I'm joking. But she likes to, you know, do whatever, or I might be looking at something. So it's good to know that we have night lights that are that fashionable. Okay, I forgot to turn it off. Let me find that button again. Okay, the lights are now off, which is really cool. Up top here, you can find the fan. Yo, this fan is it's a very interesting looking fan. I don't know how much wind it can actually generate, but it does add to the aesthetic appeal of the room, and it does get a little bit of circulation off the air conditioning. And then again, you have some nice little, you know, aesthetic appeals there. Great lighting, painting. So that, oh, there's actually this thing here. I don't know what it is, if it has any functionality, but regardless, it does add a nice touch to the room. And then over here, you have a nice full body mirror that you could, you know, when you're getting ready, you could look through, or whatever the case is, you know, do your change. And then of course, this little thing here, which is really cool. I don't know, it's unique. I've never quite seen anything like this in a hotel room. It makes it feel like the light is somewhat floating. And then of course, just beneath it, you do have some USB sockets where you can plug your stuff into, which for me is very important. Also over here, I forgot to show you guys, you do have this tablet here. Not many hotels here start using tablets as yet, but you do have the tablet here that you can connect to many areas of the hotel, whether it's to get some food, you know, call for laundry. But the reason I showed you was just for the USB sections here. A lot of the times, you know, we are fighting who can get the brick, or maybe I left the brick, or whatever the case is. You get the idea. Now, what we never had at the last hotel was a TV, which it's playing on what the hotel wanted. He wanted you to be a lot more connected with nature. Here is not that much into that. Now you have this very big TV. I think this is maybe a 45 to 50 inch screen TV, LG TV, very nice. And then I like the fact that you do have some alcohol ready there for you. Sangster's rum cream. If you guys know, most Jamaicans love rum cream, Sangster's, Bailey's, whatever the case is. A nice little wine bottle opener. Now once we go here, you look at the nice aesthetic design of the room, which I do like. But if you're smart enough, tap the button, you know, here they wouldn't be wasting any space whatsoever. So inside there, you do have some more things happening. And when you pop the door open, you do have a stocked minibar. What I like about here, it is all inclusive, so you can drink every single thing in here and not have to worry about paying for it at the end of anything, you know, which is great. Of course, if you are a Jamaican, you know, Red Stripe beer is a traditional beer for us here. So if you're not Jamaican and you want to try a part of Jamaica, make sure you try Red Stripe beer. And then of course, the conventional stuff that we all, you know, like and appreciate, like Coca-Cola, Sprite. We have some WATA water, and then we have some sparkling wine down there. All right, so let me close that little mini bar up, and I'll see if there's any tricks or goodies. Maybe there could be a PlayStation 5 down there, I don't know. But let's just check through all of these because I didn't check them before. Oh yes, now it's a good thing that I actually checked into this spot here, because there's something else that was hidden from us. Now it's a little bit dark. I don't know if there's a light in there, but if I pull this out, whoa, that is quite awesome. If you pull this out, you see two of my favorite banana chips. If you do want to order banana chips, you can get that on my website, Soai Store. You can get any of the Jamaican snacks that you love and appreciate. But they do have some St. Mary's banana chips in there. And once you pop this open, you see that there's a ice container. So you can, you know, get some ice, you know, pop some bubbly and have some banana chips or whatever. And let's put that back in. I know it's a little bit dark. I'm sorry, guys. But then when you pull this out, of course, there is a coffee machine in there. So if you are into coffee, you can get some coffee. There are your coffee cups, you know, your creamers, your sugars. And yeah, we have the company that is in here is Cafe Blue. So if you are ever in Jamaica, you can, Google Cafe Blue. They have a couple nice locations where you can get some premium Jamaican coffee. All right, let me close that back up. All right, let's go to the next one and let's see if there's anything in door number 5. No, it's just drawers where you could, now I'm not talking drawers like underwear. I'm talking like just drawers where you could put your stuff in. But I actually like this thing here. This could be a really nice entertainment center for your house if you wanted to. All right, well, the last thing that I think I can pick out for you guys is these awesome little stools. So if you do have any friends come over, which I don't know how that goes, but you have these little stools here that you could sit on, or you could use it for anything else that you have any ideas with. Now, what I like about it is that it gives you a nice, it makes it feel like it's something that you shouldn't be sitting on, but you can actually sit on it. So even though you have these little bamboo straps inside, there's actually a bit of steel, so it does have some good structure to it. Anyway, Judah and I need to go get onto the road. So let me just say it was a pleasure having you guys take a quick tour of this hotel room with me, guys. And let me tell you, so far I am impressed. I love it here. If I never had stuff to do in Kingston, I probably would have extended my stay. This seems to be one of those stops I need to come back to another time. Maybe I'll be able to try one of the more premium rooms. Again, let me send a big shout out to my patrons, persons who show support all the time, whether through CASHAPP or PayPal. Maybe in the future, with enough donations, I'll definitely take a quick look at the premium rooms for you guys, so you guys can decide. Maybe you don't want to be on this, this type of end room. You can go higher up where it might be a lot more exclusive. Anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing, what the food might taste like here, I think that will be the finality. That will make me know if this hotel is definitely 10 out of 10. If the food is great, I'll definitely tell you guys on one of the next videos that we do. Anyway, guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.